In our last segment, we visited a bath remodeling job at a historic downtown home and learned about getting a project like this started. Now we're ready to select tile and bath fixtures, so let's once again meet up with our designer and contractor, Mike Webster, as we head out to his favorite professional showrooms for tile design and plumbing fixtures. Now, Mike, back at our project, we talked about the importance of getting the right components into any new bathroom that we're talking about.
Yeah.
And I know your system's kind of unique. You like to bring the homeowners out and begin with the tile selection. Why is that?
Well, the tile is the biggest surface in the bathroom. You got wall tile, Stu, you got floor tile down here. And for a designer, it's nice to start the decisions with that larger surface.
Do you find that most of your bathrooms are incorporating tile either one way or another?
Tile is huge in the last 10 years especially. People like the look of tile. It feels, it's a natural material.
Well, sure, when you think about the other option being vinyl, I mean, tile, it seems, like you said, it's a natural, it seems more permanent to me, and plus with petroleum skyrocketing, it's probably pretty economical as well.
Not only does it look great, but mechanically it's good for a long-lasting bathroom.
So, Mike, should a homeowner do a lot of preparation before coming out here with you?
I don't think so, Stu. The tile showroom, again, is intimidating, and there's a lot to see, and it'd be helpful to have somebody holding your hand to make all these decisions. You have size decisions, you've got accent decisions, you've got border decisions to make. Having a professional who understands all that can help you through that process.
Well, as you mentioned, you know, it can be intimidating coming out on your own especially, and I really like your theory and your process of helping the homeowner make the right decisions, because after all, you understand the design. I mean, that's really your role, is to understand what ultimately the end result's going to look like.
Right, and together I work with the customer to put together the look they like and to get the value they expect.
So, Mike, with all the choices out here, what did our homeowners select?
Well, our homeowner has a traditional 1922 house, and they wanted to maintain that period look. They selected the Picha Art basket weave that was often seen in that period.
So this one right here?
That's correct.
Oh, that's going to be beautiful. And so, did it take them a long time to decide?
It didn't take them too long, but they did consider several different choices.
So really, I suspect that most homeowners feel pretty good about their decision when they finally make it. After all, you've walked them through it, they've taken the time, and they weren't rushed through the process?
Exactly. Once you put the whole design together, they can see how it works, then they're very confident in their decision.
Okay, well that takes care of the tile selection process. What's next? Fixtures?
Yes, Stu, let's go out to the professional plumbing showroom and take a look. Stu, here's a perfect example of products you only can get from a professional showroom.
Boy, the products out here are just fabulous. And when we talk about a professional showroom, is that really the big advantage, is that you find products like these that are only available here?
As a designer, this showroom is perfect for helping my customers select their style, their budget, and all their choices that are available to them.
So how does a professional showroom operate?
A professional showroom is for the professional contractor only. The homeowner comes out and makes selections here, but it's for demonstration only.
Okay, so a homeowner can't come in here and just say, boy, I really want this, show up unannounced, and walk away with it, do the purchasing right there. They have to work closely with their design professional or their contractor.
Right. The contractor provides the product, therefore he can provide the warranty for that product.
Now, Mike, how can I as a consumer make sure I'm making the right selection for my situation when I utilize a showroom like this?
Well, as a designer, that's our job, is to help you make those selections. For example, this shower head, how will it function for you? How's its style? Does the design work for your project? And does it work for your budget? Does it give you total value?
Really? So there's a lot more than style. I mean, a lot of us will come out here, wow, this is beautiful, this is what I want. But if you're working with a professional like yourself, you're going to ensure it's going to work within the scope of the project.
That's correct. And we also understand how it's installed, so we know how the installation will go.
Boy, you know, I really like your process. You helped us select the tile so we get the design feel, and then we're going to come out here, utilize a professional showroom, and get the right fixtures for our situation. Is that really what you're trying to do, is make it easy for the consumer?
That's correct. We're trying to give you an overall value.
Boy, I walk in, I see this, and I think I'd like that in mine. Is that going to work in my shower?
Well, it looks nice, but possibly it might use up your water heater a lot faster than what you think. And we have to look at the function of it.
Boy, that's another factor that I hadn't considered. Again, I look at it and say, that would look neat, but you're going to make sure it's right for my situation, the scope of the project.
Right, total value.
And you know, as I look around, we had a chance to just scratch the surface of the number of fixtures that are available. I can't wait to see what our project has turned out like.
Well, the project's done. Let's go take a look at it. The homeowner likes it. I think you will too.
Stick around. We'll see our completed bath remodel next.